Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by checking the fabric and trimming area so you know what to remove without damaging stitches. Set your trimmer to a low speed and minimal blade depth. This reduces risk while you learn the tool's feedback. Hold the work taut with your non-dominant hand and approach at about a 45-degree angle. Make short, controlled passes rather than long sweeps because that preserves seam integrity. Once you feel control, gradually increase speed for efficiency, while still watching closely for stretched or thin threads. Now you move into the detailed work where precision matters most, and you'll learn how to protect the surrounding fabric. Use small overlapping strokes and keep the blade moving to prevent snagging. This equalizes pressure and avoids accidental seam cuts. For tight spots, swap to the precision tip so you can target loose fibers near embroidery or buttons. Work outward from the worst area so you don't concentrate damage in one spot. Make use of fine forceps to lift and remove cut threads promptly for a clean finish. Finish by cleaning the trimmed area, vacuuming lint, and inspecting seams with a gentle tug so you confirm structural integrity. If you notice fraying or fuzz, stop and change or sharpen the blade. Dull blades cause pulling, so test adjustments on a scrap piece before continuing. If you nick the fabric, don't panic. Stabilize the area with a few tiny hand stitches or a dot of invisible fabric glue and let it set. If problems persist, reduce blade depth and speed, then reattempt on a less visible section.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.